Attention, all determined women who want a step-by-step proven system to stop anxiety in its tracks fast. You're about to discover the secrets of how to overcome anxiety for good without using toxic or harmful medications in just 12 weeks, helping you step away from the pain of being trapped in the constant cycle of fear, worry and overwhelm, so that you can confidently shine your light in the world. Hi, my name is Katie Woodland and I'm a developmental psychologist and the founder of Woodland Psychological Services Limited. And I'd like to invite you to attend a very special free live session in aid of World Mental Health Day called The Secret Guide to Conquering Anxiety for Good. During this live exclusive session, you'll discover the answers every determined female needs to know, including why relying on traditional methods of anxiety relief like counselling, cognitive behavioural therapy and medication is the exact reason you're still struggling. It gives you a step-by-step guide to controlling anxiety so that you can quickly turn all of your dreams into realities. It's going to show you how to stop worrying about what may happen so that you can start truly enjoying what is happening right now. It also helps you effortlessly master scientifically proven techniques so that you can rid yourself of anxiety for good. And you'll discover the fastest way to feeling calm, relaxed and peaceful right now so that you can boldly turn your dreams into realities. So if you're serious about wanting to have a proven step-by-step system to stop anxiety in its tracks without being trapped in the constant cycle of fear, worry and overwhelm, so that you're confidently able to shine your light in the world, register now for this exclusive and special free live event that's going to show you exactly how to overcome anxiety for good without using toxic or harmful medications in just 12 weeks. Register now and I will see you this evening.